Haryom, children, namaste, and welcome to the Sanskriti session. Today, we will start with the usual prayers. Adya Abhirami can repeat after me.
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Om Sadashivasamarambam
Om Sadashivasamarambam
Shankaracharya Madhyamam
Shankaracharya Madhyamam
Asmadacharya Paryantam
Asmadacharya Paryantam
Vande Guru Paramparam.
Vande Guru Paramparam.
We will revise. Adya can repeat after me last week's 4 slokas. That is 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay.
Yes, Amma.
You can display Hema or Soumya 17 onwards.
Correct. Chapter
One
14.
down.
One
It is
down.
18. No?
Yes, 17 onwards.
17. Okay. 16, 17. Yeah.
17.
Satvat Sanchayate. Okay. Yeah. Adya, you can repeat. Satva Sanjayate Jnanam
Sattva Sanjayate Jnanam
Rajaso Lobha cha
Rajaso Lobha eva cha
Pramadamohau Tamasah
Pramadamohau tamasah
Bhavato Jnanameva cha.
Bhavato jnanameva cha
Next one. Urdhvam Gachanti Satvastah
ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्ताः
Madhye Tishtanti Rajasah
मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः
Jaghanyaguna
जगन्यगुणवृत्तिष्ठाः
Adho Gachanti Tamasah
अगो गच्छन्ति तामसाः
Adho Gachanti Tamasah
अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः
Nanyam Gunebhyah Kartaram
ज्ञानं गुणेभ्यः कर्तारम्
Nanyam
ज्ञानं नान्यं
Gunebhyah Kartaram
गुणेभ्यः कर्तारम्
Yada Drashtanupashyati
यदा द्रष्टानुपश्यति
Gunebhyascha Param Veti
गुणेभ्यश्च परं विद्धि
Madbhavam Sodhigacchati
मद्भावं सोऽधिगच्छति
Gunanetan Atityatrin
गुणानेतान् अतीत्यत्रीन्
Dehi Deha Samudbhavan
देहि देहसमुद्भवाम्
Janma Mrityu Jara Dukkaihi
जन्म मृत्यु जरा दुःखैः
Vimukto Mridamashnude.
विमुक्तो मृतमश्नुते.
Very good. Thank you. When we are chanting, others should be practicing in your muted space. Then only you will be able to chant. Okay. So next, 21 onwards, Shakambari is there. I think she's junior, I think, no?
Shakambari is junior now.
Junior. Who is the another one who has not chanted? Vaishnavi sisters are there?
No, they're not there.
Another Vaishnavi.
Yeah, V Vaishnavi is there.
V Vaishnavi, you can repeat after me.
Yes, Amma.
Yeah. Arjuna uvacha
Arjuna Uvacha
Kairlingai strin gunanetan
Kairlingai Strin Gunanetan
Atito bhavati prabho
Atito Bhavati Prabho
Kimacharah katam chaitan
Kimacarah Kathan Chaitan
Strin gunanati vartate.
Strin Gunanati Vartate
First line. Kairlingai strin gunanetan Atito bhavati prabho
कैर्लिङ्गैः स्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो
किमाचारः कथं चैतान् त्रीन् गुणानति वर्तते.
किमाचारः कथं चैतान् स्त्रीन् गुणानतिवर्तते
फुल् श्लोका. कैर्लिङ्गैः स्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथं चैतान् त्रीन् गुणानति वर्तते.
कैर्लिङ्गैः स्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथं चैतान् स्त्रीगुणानतिवर्तते
Very good. Once more you repeat.
कैर्लिङ्गैः स्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथं चैतान् स्त्रीन् गुणानतिवर्तते
Very good. Thank you. Next
Thank
shloka. Who is going to repeat? Those who are not done last week. Hanya. Okay. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
भगवानुवाच
Bhagavan. Bhagavan Uvacha.
भगवानुवाच
Not ha. It is Bhaga. Bhaga. Bhagavan.
भगवानुवाच
Prakasham cha pravrittim cha.
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च
मोहमेव च पाण्डवा
मोगमेव च पाण्डव
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च
मोहमेव च पाण्डवा
मोहमेव च पाण्डव
न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि
न तेस्ति सम्प्रवृत्तानि
न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न विवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि
न त्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि
न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
First line full. Prakasham cha pravrittim cha mohameva cha pandava.
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्ति च मोहनं एव सेव मोहनं एव सेव
Mohameva cha pandava.
मोगमेव च पाण्डव
Again. Prakasham cha pravrittim cha mohameva cha pandava.
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च मोहमेव च पाण्डव
Correct. Nadveshti sampravrittani na nivrittani kankshati.
न तेवस्ति सम्प्रवृत्तानि न न वृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि
न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि
न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न न न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न निवृत्तानि
न न निवृत्तानि
न फुल श्लोक प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च मोहमेव च पाण्डव न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च मोहमेव च पाण्डव न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
वेरी गुड वन्स मोर
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च मोहमेव च पाण्डव न वेष्टि संवृत्तानि न निर् न निर् Amma, can I repeat from first Amma?
second line you are not getting properly न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निर्वान्ति काङ्क्षति
न निवृत्तानि
न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
once more both the lines
प्रकाशं च प्रवृत्तिं च मोहमे च पाण्डव न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति
okay next who is going to come next
Amma, this is
you had to practice Hania okay you had to practice
Amma, this is
Who is-
Nita.
Snigdha okay third 23rd one उदासीनवदासीनः
उदासीनवदासीनः
गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
उदासीनवदासीनः
उदासीनवदासीनः
गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव
गुणा वर्तन्ते इत्येव
योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
यो वसिष्ठति नेङ्गते
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 गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव
गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव
योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
यो वतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
फर्स्ट लाइन फुल उदासीनवदासीनः गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
उदासीनवस् Ma'am, can you repeat again?
उदासीनवदासीनः
उदासीनवदासीनः
गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
फुल उदासीनवदासीनः गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
उदासीनवदासीनः गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते
विचाल्यते
चाल्यते
गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
गुणा वर्तन्त इति एव
तिष्ठति योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
यो वतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
गुणा वर्तन्त इति एव योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
Very good. Once more, whole shloka. उदासीनवदासीनः गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येव योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
उदासीनवदासीनः गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते गुणा वर्तन्त इति एव
योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
Again, once more you repeat.
उदासीनवदासीनः गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते गुणा वर्तन्त इति एव इत्येव योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते
Okay, thank you. One more person who has not chanted last week. Anybody? You can tell your name.
Ma'am, this is Virat. I chanted last week, but I can chant again.
You did revision, I think, no, last week?
No, I did both.
Okay, you did both. Okay, so the 24th sloka. Samadukka sukha swastha.
Samadukka sukha swastha.
Samaloshtasma kanchanah.
Samaloshtasma kanchah.
Kanchanah.
Kanchanah.
Samadukka sukha swastha.
Samadukka sukha swastha.
Samaloshtasma kanchanah.
Samaloshtasma kanchanah.
Tulya priya priyo dhirah.
Tulya priya priyo धीरः
तुल्यनिन्दात्म संस्तुतिः
तुल्यनिन्दास्म संस्तुतिः
तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः
तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः
तुल्यनिन्दात्म संस्तुतिः
तुल्यनिन्दास्म संस्तुतिः.
First line full. समदुःख सुख स्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्म काञ्चनः
समदुःख सुख स्वस्थः समलोकाश्मश्मक काञ्चनः
समलोष्टाश्म लोष्टाश्म
लोष्टाश्मक काञ्चनः
समलोष्टाश्म काञ्चनः
समलोष्टाश्म काञ्चनः.
Once more. समदुःख first line full.
समदुःख सुख स्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्म काञ्चनः.
Correct. तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्म संस्तुतिः
तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्म संस्तुतिः.
Now full shloka. समदुःख सुख स्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्म काञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्म संस्तुतिः.
समदुःख सुख स्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्म काञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिय प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दास्म संस्तुतिः.
संस्तुतिः तुल्यनिन्दात्म संस्तुतिः
Tulyanindaasma samstutihi.
Okay, Lakshmi ma'am,
Once more, you repeat.
25
Yeah.
minutes almost, na? Shall we stop?
Okay, okay. Yeah, over, Amma. It's over.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now we will see next week. Over to Sudha ma'am.
Hari Om children. Last week you learnt about Sattva, Rajas and Tamo Guna. Can any one of you tell what are the qualities of Sattva Guna? Be
Jai
fast.
Virat.
Okay, Virat. Virat will say
Sattva
about
guna.
Sattva.
Only Sattva Guna
Only
you tell,
Sattva
Virat.
Guna. What are the characteristics of a person, Sattvic person?
A Sattvic person has characteristics of being rightful, showing integrity, having respect for elders, being considerate of all situations, being more of a contributor than a consumer.
Okay.
Should I name more?
Okay, so he'll be a calm, kind, and happy person. He'll be contented. He'll be selfless, and he will have take right decisions always. He will do the right things at the right time. He'll be truthful. All good qualities are for Sattvic person. For a Rajasic person who is ready to tell the
Jai
characteristics.
Virat.
No, somebody else, please.
Amma, can I Vishruta?
Okay, Vishruta.
Mom, Rajasic person are always stressed and they're always overworking. They're active most of the time, but they're sometimes also they are sometimes also greedy and they have jealous.
Yes, they are very active, dynamic, passionate, energetic. These are all good part of Rajasic person. But there are some bad things also. They become greedy, they become restless, they become anxious. So because you have both good and bad, this Rajasic has to be managed, balanced well. Sattvic, all good qualities only. Rajasic has to be managed. Who will tell about Tamasic qualities?
Jai Virat.
Amma, can I Vishruta?
Somebody else?
Amma, may I be Vaishnavi?
Okay, be Vaishnavi.
Amma, he is a bit of lazy and he always procrastinates for doing things. And also, if he feels or someone rejects him, he feels very sad and desperate and he couldn't continue and he can't balance his happiness and sadness together.
Very good. He's lazy, dull, he always postpones things, sleepy, confused, avoids responsibility, all these qualities. But no one will be totally sattvic or totally rajasic or totally tamasic. See, a sattvic person, suppose he listens to a fast music, he may feel like dancing. Seeing that, you cannot judge he is a rajasic person. So sometimes we become rajasic. We need that. Sometimes we have to be tamasic also. So Sattvic for all good qualities to have a balanced life, and Rajasic to act. Tamasic also we have to take rest. You know, some colors are also associated with it. Can you guess what color will be associated with Sattvic Guna?
Green.
White?
White. White is the color. For Rajasic,
White and black.
which color?
Grey.
Passionate, active. Red for Rajasic. And
Fiery.
for Tamasic,
Yellow?
Hania is saying black.
black. Okay, black is the color for Tamasic. So we decided we have to maximize Sattvic, balance Rajasic, and minimize Tamasic. That should be our aim. Okay, now over to Soumya ma'am.
So we will do a game on similar lines. Okay, now I have a quiz. You have all have your
You all
pen,
have paper and pen.
pen and
You
paper
want-
ready with you.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'll show you questions. There will be options A, B, C. You don't have to tell anything as I go through the questions. You will just note down what you do. Don't try to write what is right. Okay, what is correct, but write the option which is what you do. You know, immediately. Don't think immediately out of the three options. Whichever comes to your mind, you will write. Okay, question number 1 A, question number 2, like that. Whatever you think you will do, you will note down. So after we go through all the 10, then I'll go tell you the scoring mechanism and we can find out what is dominant in you. You don't have to share it with us. This is for your own analysis, self-assessment, so that you can, depending on the quality, you can improve, reduce, or control. Okay. Give me a second. Let me bring up my screen. be ready for the first question. Hope you can see my screen. The first one is, when you wake up in the morning, you usually, option A, jump out of bed excited for the day. Option B, sit quietly, stretch and smile before starting your day. Or you say Karagre, all those shlokas. So, option C, you hit the snooze button of your alarm, go back to sleep, or your parents will keep waking you up and you take a long time to wake up. So A, B, C. Okay, have you noted down? Can I go to the next question? Just show me a thumbs up, one of you, or once you have noted down the option.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have
next.
a question. What if it's 50% something, 50% something else?
So don't think, whatever, most of the time that you do, like whatever comes to your mind, you note it down. Okay, next one. If your friend drops their lunch, you quickly call others to help or tell the teacher. B, offer to share your lunch with them. C, watch quietly and hope someone helps. Okay. A, so options are clear, noted. Shall I go next? Okay. On a Sunday afternoon, you like to try something new, sports, art, or a challenge. You write to read or help at home, go for a walk, and option C, watch TV and nap all day. What do you prefer to do? Done. Have you written your options? Okay. Question number 4. When someone scolds you, you argue and defend yourself. B, listen calmly and think about what they said. And option C, get upset and stop talking to them.
Ma'am, I have a question once
Chosen your
again.
option? Yes, Virat.
Ma'am, what if you first listen calmly, think about what they say, but if you know you're not in the wrong and you argue and defend yourself?
What do you do? Whatever you do, first you put it.
First
Whatever
I
is
think, then I decide.
immediately, what will you do? But somebody is scolding you, immediately what you do in that next instance?
Listen to what
Okay,
they're
then you
saying.
can mark that. 5. You find a wallet on the ground. You feel curious and open it to see whose it is. B, take it to the teacher or an elder person or any police is there right away. Or C, leave it there and go about doing your work. Okay? Chosen your option for this question? Okay, going to the next. During the class activities, you are the one, A, who takes charge and tells others what to do. Hope all of you are writing option A, B, C only. Okay, don't no need to write the entire thing. Write A, B, C only. If you have not done that, let me know. During the class activities, you are the one, A, takes charge and tells others what to do. B, works together and helps everyone do their part. C, follow what others say quietly. Written your option? Okay. 7th question. When you lose a game, you A, feel bad but try again next time. B, you congratulate the winners, smile and you're cheerful, pose with the winners. And C, get sad and quit playing. Okay, have you chosen your option A, B, C? Next, 8th question. Before an exam, you usually study at the last minute with lots of energy and pressure, and you study late in the night, you sit and write. B, prepare calmly every day, continuously, and stay confident. And C, you panic and then leave it to luck. Okay, that is a C. Ready? Next question, ABC chosen? Okay. 9th question. When the teacher gives you homework, you finish it fast, get it done, and then go out to play. B, you do it carefully, check twice before submitting, and you enjoy the process of learning. And C, you forget it, and the next day you go to school, you copy it from your friend fast. Okay, these A, B, C. What do you do? Okay, the last question. If your team loses a competition, A, you start planning how to win next time, right? To like immediately say, okay, next time, and then you also blame. And B, appreciate everyone's effort and stay cheerful and enjoy the moment. And C, you complain and blame others. Okay. So now we are done with all the questions. So for every question, you have marked one ABC out of ABC. Now what you will do, wherever you have marked an A, okay, you in that question you will assign 2 points. Write down 2 against it. Wherever your answer was an A, write 2. Okay, 2 points for A in all the wherever you have written A. Okay, have you done it? And wherever you have chosen B, right? For all the B answers, you will give 3. 3 points you will assign against the answers where you have chosen B. And wherever you have chosen C, you will give 1 point. Okay. If it is A, give 2. If it is B, you give 3. And if it is C, you give 1. Have you put the scores for all the 10 questions? Quickly assign the points. And after you assign the points, you have to add the points.
Amma,
Add
for
it all.
A, how much is it?
2. A 2. For A 2 points. For B 3 points. And for C 1 point. And you have to add all the points and keep the total score with you.
Amma, do we have to share the total in the chat box?
No, totally up to you, Vedant. It's for your self-assessment. If you're okay sharing it with others, I'm okay. Otherwise, it's not necessary for you to share. Then once you have totaled your score, I will go to the next slide. Tell me once all of you have totaled your score and you know
Yes,
your
Amma, I
score.
have totaled my score.
All of you have totaled your score? Done? Okay. So now, so if you have got a score between 10 and 15, it shows a dominant tamas quality, which says you enjoy comfort, right? And relaxing. So here what you may need to do, you may need to focus more on activity and being more energetic, and you should try to stay alert and curious. Okay. And if you have got a point between 16 and 22, this says you have a Rajas dominant. Okay, it's not that we all have all the qualities. Okay, no single person is completely having one quality. So if you are between 16 and 22, based on the personality test that we have done, seems like you are very active and full of ideas, and you're very passionate. So you have to slightly remember to pause and listen also, and stay kind. Okay, in the hurry, we should also remember to pause, listen, and it should not be in a hurry. And if you have a point between 23 and 30, so you are a sattva dominant person, okay, which is you are very calm, you are peaceful, wise, and balanced, and your calm and energy makes others feel good. Okay, so if you are a sattva dominant person, very good, maintain it, okay, and then control your rajas, okay, and if you are a tamas dominant person, try to move towards sattva, and if you're a rajas dominant person, try to manage your energy and then bring in the sattva qualities also. Okay, so that was the personality test. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you want to share, you are free to share it on the chat. Okay, otherwise this is totally for you to assess yourself.
And remember, directly.
Ma'am, do
if
we
you're Tamil-
share our marks or do we share what thing we covered there?
Yeah, you can share your points if you want. We can make out the points.
From tamas to sattvic directly is difficult. So from tamas, first you should come to rajasic, then rajasic to tamas.
Vedant has a
Actually,
question.
you remember that
I
Yes,
have a question.
Hmm.
I heard that some foods have all these three qualities. Like some foods are sattvic, some foods are rajasic. So can you
That's where
elaborate on that?
discuss about
That's
that in the
very
class
good.
also. We are going to discuss about ahara.
Right now.
Today itself I wanted to do, but today I don't think there will be time for that. We are going to discuss that. See, we have only 7 minutes left. So I was just telling you, step by step, you try to improve. You all should try to become more and more sattvic. You remember the Japanese quality Kaizen, step by step, bit by bit, like that. Now itself, if you make effort to reach that sattvic guna maximum dominance, that it will be better. So for that, last week itself, we discussed many ways: self-discipline, determination, and what else? And the Vedanta raised that sattvic food. Food affects our actions, thoughts, emotions, everything. Taking sattvic food, having good company, satsanga, reducing your screen time, spending more regular time in prayer, meditation, doing service to others. There are so many ways in which you can increase your sattvic qualities and to minimize your tamasic qualities. All this is mentioned in chapter 14, which you are doing. In chapter 17, again, Krishna is discussing about many more aspects based on sattva, rajas, and tamas. Today, I'm just taking up one aspect, dhanam. Dhanam also based on sattvic, rajasic, and tamasic guna. So dhanam, we all know what is dhanam. We should always give to others. Always don't think about what we can get from others. You should not be a consumer. You have to be a contributor. You remember that. So you can learn from nature how to be a sattvic dhanam person. So what will be sattvic dhanam, you think? How will a sattvic person do dhanam? Whatever you can tell, you tell me. If you are a sattvic person, how will you do dhanam?
So by the
Helping
personality
others.
test, most of you are sattvic.
On your personality.
May
How will
be
you do
Vaishnavi.
Amma,
dhanam?
may
Hey,
Vishrata.
Virat.
Amma, may I be Vaishnavi?
Okay,
Amma, may
Vaishnavi.
Vishrata.
Vaishnavi.
Amma, we can share our knowledge with someone.
Yes, you can share knowledge also.
Ma'am,
How
can
will
I
you
Virat?
share that knowledge? How will you do that dhanam?
Amma, I can share my thoughts and ideas to the person that I'm speaking with, and they can share their viewpoint on my thoughts so that both will gain.
Okay, anybody else? Any other point?
Can I Virat?
Amma, can I Vishrata.
Anya?
Amma,
we can help
Ma'am, can I Virat?
others. We
Ah,
can help others by giving some ideas.
yes, you can help others. As children, how will you help? What all help? You don't have money with you. What help can you do in school, say? How will you do help?
Like giving something can help, Amma.
What can you do?
Adya, you wanted to say?
Someone got hurt, we can help them up and we can be kind to them.
Kind
Yes,
to
you can
them.
be kind to
Amma, can
them.
I say Vishrata?
Giving does not mean giving or does not mean only money. You can give your time. You can give comforting words to others, even smiling at others, making others happy. Okay. Any other point?
Amma, can I say Vishrata?
Uh,
Amma, in school as children, we can keep our classrooms clean and not vandalize property so that the people who work and clean the school should not don't have much
that
mess to
is
work.
also a Shramdan. Okay. And the main thing is Satvika Dana means giving right thing at the right time to the right person with the right attitude. See, you are giving woolen blankets which you don't want at home in summer. Will anybody appreciate that? That is not the right thing to give in summer. And so that is not the right thing. You have to choose the right thing to give, and to the right person who are really needy. Only to the needy person you should give, and the right attitude. You have to give with humility. No, not with, oh, I am giving to that person, I am great. Not with that attitude. So sattvic persons will do like that, with the right attitude, with a humble mood. They will do that. And also one more thing, what did you learn in karma yoga? When you do something, you should not expect that others should praise
Anything
you.
in return.
Nothing in return. I am doing this, so he should do something for me. Not that way. So that is also one more thing the sattvic persons will follow. So doing all right thing at the right time, anything you can give, not only money, and not expecting anything in return. This is how a sattvic person will do. How do you think a rajasika person will do dana? Now you will get a better idea. Anybody else who has not answered? Rajasika person. Yes,
Snigdha?
Snigdha.
Can I Virat?
After
Snigdha,
Snigdha,
Snigdha.
Virat can get. Snigdha, I think volume. Snigdha, your audio, we're not able to listen. There's something problem with your mic.
Anybody? Oh, yeah, I think she has problem with mic.
Amma, can I Vishrata?
Virat, first.
Virat.
Ma'am, a Rajasic person will probably just be active and help around people with their work as long as it actually ends up helping him Like for a group project, if he's the group leader, he might end up doing other people's work just so that he can get the marks. One more way he might do this is he might actually just have that kind feeling. He might help out poor people. He might play with dogs or stray animals. And he might even donate with the feeling that, oh, I might attain some punya karma in my next birth.
Yes, he is having a motive, selfish motive. Rajasika people will help. You are talking about punyam, but more appropriately, you can say people do for publicity. See, even a donate a tube light to a temple, they want their names to be written there. Or they donate to any school or any institution, they want that the board should display that such a person donated so much for this. So they want that publicity, power for self. They donate to your school, they will ask you give admission to my child in the school. Something in return they want. They do it for publicity, they power, always expecting something in. They do donate, but with all this selfish motive. That is the thing for Rajasic people. Then what about Tamasic people?
Amma, can I say Vishrita?
Yes.
Amma, Tamasic people will either not donate at all, or even if they donate, they will not. Donate in a good attitude. They will just give whatever they feel like, not in a right condition. They will not.
Yes,
They will not care much.
Yes, that is one thing. People, suppose you donate whatever is torn, spoiled food. You are giving food to others. Somebody is hungry. You have to give fresh food. If it is spoiled food, leftover food, torn cloths, broken toys, what is it? Dhanam. That is how Tamasic people will do. And to beggars also you have to be careful. If the beggar is capable of working, you need not give dhanam to that beggar. So you have to give only to the worthy people. This is how Thomas, in an indifferent way. I am also doing dhanam. Like that they do, that is how they do dhanam. So for Deepavali, that festival is coming, you all should think about doing some dhanam for poor children in whatever way we can help. And it should be like that, satvika dhanam, to the right people and the right attitude. You, whatever way you can, you should try to do. Okay.
Hasini, Sudha, Hasini, what are your thoughts about Dhanam? Did you speak today?
Hasini, I didn't see her at all.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me hear what Hasini has to say about this topic.
Actually, Danam is a great deed. If you Danam is done if Danam is only it's only meant when you do it without expecting anything in return, and it's it's one of the best deed you could ever do to anyone.
Okay, good. So what next, Sudha? Are you done with this?
Time over, Amma. 5:15.
Yeah.
We can now move to parents session.
Yes. Hope the parents have joined. Children can leave now. Do we have to say the closing prayers? No need.
Yes, we can do the closing prayers.
So children, today we have asked parents to join. So let us close. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamasor Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Excuse me, Amma.